What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your spark plugs on a Honda HR-V from probably about the 2016 to about the 2022. It's pretty simple. You'll have 4 spark plugs right here. All you want to do is remove the screw that comes right here, which is going to take a size 10 socket to take it out. Once you take this screw out right here, next all you got to do is come up here. You want to squeeze, push down on this and unplug your cord to it. And then you'll be able to pull out your coil pack, which is what this is right here, is your coil pack. And then all you have to do now is go ahead and take your spark plug puller. Go ahead and take your spark plug puller, which I believe is a 58 socket. So you just want that. You want to stick it down in there, and you're going to want to take it out all the way. Once you get done doing that, you want to take your new one, put it back in, then reverse process. Go ahead and put your coil pack back in, and then go ahead and screw it back down with your screw. Put your connection back on there. You should be good to go. All right, folks, once again, this is how you'll be changing out your spark plugs on a Honda HR-V from probably about the 2016 to about the 2022. All right, please check out other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.